Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. We are from class 2CCA group 6. We want to presentation about our project simulation UTBK using Python console. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jenny Kasturi. My partner is Tiara Zilza Angjalni Afsi and Zulfikar Islam. Okay, let's see the presentation. Okay, first I want to explain about overview simulation UTBK using Python console. Quote this project from the press release Lembaga Tes Masuk Perguruan Tinggi LTMPT up to the closing time limit. The number of participants who registered for the SBMPTN 2019 totaled 715,652 participants. With such a large number of participants, there will be many difficulties in the selection process, but effectively and efficiently. For example, if we do a paper test, a lot of paper waste builds up after the test ends, and the risk of unreliable answer sheets also becomes a form of using paper to do the test. Based on this fact, we designed a solution for participant and testing commits by creating an online-based UTBK platform. The project consists of 4 parts, such as the process of filling and validating participants' data, printing participants' card as a sign that participants have the right to take the test, conducting online tests conducted at university that have collaborated with LTMPT, and announcing test results that test participants can see after take the exams. Okay, after overview simulation UTBK, next I will explain about flowchart in this project. First, print LTMPT, Lembaga Tes Masuk Perguruan Tinggi. Next, in this project, there are many variables. Next, input full name and password, and the process. If full name equals full name, if no, print nama tidak terdaftar, and if yes, next process again. If password equals password, if no, print password salah, if yes, print login berhasil. Next, input NISN, TTL, sekolah, email, dan lulus. Next, input data 1. If data 1 is yeah, if no, try again input, and if yes, next yes. And print berhasil simpan permanen. And next, in variable biodata, have a variable full name, password, NISN, TTL, sekolah, email, lulus. And next, in variables data 2, have variables biodata and print data 2. Next, input lokasi. If lokasi is UI, if yes, print variables UI. If no, next, process the location. If location is IPB, if yes, print variable IPB. If no, next, process the location. If location is UGM, if yes, print UGM. If no, next, process the location. If location is ITB, if yes, print ITB. If no, next process. If location is UB, print and if yes, print UB. If no, print pusat UTBK tidak ada. After print the location, next, input KUTBK. Okay, after input C KUTBK, next we process. If C KUTBK is sign tag, and if yes, print C sign tag, and if no, process again. If see KUTBK is source home, and if yes, print see source home, and if no, process again. If KUTBK is IPC, and if yes, print see IPC, and if no, try again, input see KUTBK. Next, after print see KUTBK, next in variable C siswa have variable C full name, C TTL, C NISN. Next, in variable C data 5 have have variable C siswa and print data 5. Next, call location. And if the location is UI, IPB, UGM, ITB, UB, then print data 5. And if no, print jadwal UTBK tidak ada. And input answer 1 to answer 20. Then the answer process, if the answer is correct, then each answer gets a value of 5. If not, then gets a 0 value. And if you already get the value, then total it all. After adding up the next score, print the score. The score equals the sum of all scores times 1. The print a list of universities and majors. Then enter the intended university and department. If the value is in accordance with the provisions, then print pass. If not, then print jangan putus asa dan tetap semangat. Then the program is finished.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zulfikar Islam from Group 6. Today I will explain about our project. The title is Simulation UTBK using Python console. This is the first program code. Here we make the code for input biodata by user and will be stored permanently. This is the program code where the user chooses the day, exact date, and time to be visited for implementation and the group examination UTBK. This is the program code that the card will print to follow for UTBK Online. This is the first coding in the question that will display and will be answered by the user. The coding is the same from question number 1 until number 20. The difference is in the code for input answer from the user. For example, jawaban 1 sama dengan input your answer. This is the last code, is the question that will be displayed. The questions that we make are different. Some are math, Indonesian, and logic, but still included in the test for Scholastic UTBK question. This is the code to make each answer get point, and if answer is wrong, not get point. This code is same from number 1 until 20. The difference is the code by user and the same of the code nilai. This is the code to see final grades, choose the majors and university to be registered from SBMPTN. This is the last code of our program. He will make a code to determine the student who graduated and did not pass the SBMPTN. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Tiara Zilzandelni Afsi. You can call me Tiara. I am from group 6 and I will explain you about the output from our program. The first output is the view where the user enters his identity and will be stored in this program UTBK. The identity such as name, password, number NISN, date of birth, school origin, email, and graduation year. After that, user must be input Y for the save permanently the data. Okay everyone, this is the output from the registration of the place and the group of the exam. The user input the place in Universitas Indonesia. You can see the input in rectangle green and you can see the location, date and times in behind of rectangle green, and after date the user input the group of the exam is Saintek. You can see the input of the exam by user in rectangle yellow, and the subject of Saintek is mathematical science, chemistry, biology, and physics. Okay everyone, this is the output for the where the card for UTBK is printed automatically, and we will display it. In the card is the participants, schedule, and equipment for UTBK. You can see that in rectangle yellow. Okay, this is the first output from text statistical SBMPTN, and that will be answered by the user of the simulation. And the output is the question number 1, and we have a time for the answer. The question is 5 minutes, and the user input the answer of the question is B in rectangle blue. Thank you. Okay everyone, this is the output of the last question statistical SBMPTN. Actually we have 20 questions, but we can display it one by one because there is too much, and in this output the user is input the question in rectangle yellow, and after the user answer the all question, we have the final value in rectangle pink, and congratulations user, you get the final value is 100. Okay, this is the last output from our project. We'll display where the user choose the majors and the university, and it will be seen whether we are quality or not for the majors and the university. And you can see the user input the university is University Indonesia, and the majors is medical. And after that, congratulations! The user is the pass of the SBMPTN 2020 in the University Indonesia, and the majors medical. And after the announcement, the program will logging off. Thank you everyone. Okay, that's all the explanation from our group. Sorry for all any mistakes, and if you have any question, please comment and below. Thank you everyone.